Okay, so to assess whether you have more of an anterior pelvic tilt or more of a posterior pelvic tilt, there's a really simple assessment that we can do, and all you need is a dowel rod or a broomstick. And then what you're going to do is line this stick up against your back so that your fist and the part where you're holding the bottom of the stick is resting in the curve of your lower back. You want to then make sure that you have 3 points of contact. So the first point of contact being at the center of your head, and then the second point of contact being in between your shoulder blades and your upper back, and then the third point of contact is going to be your tailbone. Okay, and that's how we can address whether you're in a neutral spine, an anterior pelvic tilt, or a posterior pelvic tilt. So if you're in too much of an anterior pelvic tilt, what you'll find is that you don't have a point of contact in your upper back, and you've got an extra large bit of curve in your lower back. So to fix that, what you want to do is draw your belly button into your spine and push your lower back into your fist, and that's also going to bring your upper back into the stick and your head into the stick. Okay, now if you've got too much posterior pelvic tilt, it's going to be the opposite way. So you're not going to have any contact with the tailbone, and you're going to find that there's not a lot of contact in the upper back either. So we've got to find that nice neutral spine. And that is basically how you assess the difference between whether you've got more anterior pelvic tilt or posterior pelvic tilt, and it will help you come back into a neutral spine.